That's the same way to Colonel Bolts.
It's a video of her.
Oh my god. Your mother making margaritas.
How much alcohol did you put in those?
Smell it.
Oh my gosh.
Just a little bit. Shut up. Oh man, my ice didn't fall. Is that Emily coming home?
Oh, right. I can't wait to see what she says. Welcome home.
Yeah. Want a margarita?
Yeah.
Okay, you be the first to test it out.
What you guys?
Tell me what you think.
You guys are
Hurry! Woo!